welcome back to part 2 of the exhaust install. Alright, updates. The exhaust has been done. I've done a little bit more work to it, which I'm going to show you, but this is the last final piece of the puzzle here. Alright, so I'll just show you guys this part here. This is the final piece of the puzzle. Don't worry, I know how to handle sharp knives. We're good. YouTube don't demonetize me even though I'm not even monetized. So, final piece of the puzzle here, which I'm hoping is the final piece of the puzzle. Is air things. No, that's not it. You guys ever like opening packages like Christmas all over again? So this giant box, this little part. That's right. We have a new O2 sensor. I replaced the one downstream, but I didn't replace the upstream one. It's causing the car to run really lean, so it's not popping, backfiring, or doing any of the good stuff that I want to do. So today, we're gonna put this bad boy in and wait for the car to cool down, then I'm gonna put it in. And hopefully that gives us all the goodies that I'm looking for. If not, then I'll address that later in the video. Okay, welcome back everybody. We had to have the car cool down because it was freaking hot. It was so hot. It was so hot. But the car's cooled down a lot, and Jamie joined me. Oh, hello! You guys haven't seen Jamie in like forever.
Years.
Like he could have died, and you wouldn't have known. Like that's how long it's been since you've seen Jamie.
Yeah, it's been a while.
But we're gonna get started on this bad boy. All we have to do is pretty simple. We just pull the engine cover off, and then we take the O2 sensor. That's what it's called. We take the O2 sensor out, put the new one in, put the cover back on, and we're good. Pretty simple.
Ready.
Okay.
All right. So make sure disconnect the sensor over here. Ooh, it's still a little warm.
You gotta get in there.
It's still warm and toasty. Oh, these ones are always so tough.
Give it the little glass shots.
Alright, 1 clip, 2 clip, and
We good.
do a loop-de-loop and cool. And the shoes are looking cool.
What was that from again?
That's Phineas and Ferb, dude.
That's
No,
right.
yeah.
No?
No, that's really out there.
Yeah, I was about to say.
You do a loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking good. Let me know if you guys remember that song. I'm just gonna put it in there.
You make a loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking cool.
Alright, so we've got the engine cover off, everything. We had to run and grab some tools, but what you'll need is a 22mm wrench, and the downpipe, like you guys saw in the last video, is right here behind the heat shield. And so, the O2 sensor's right here on top. Now I already broke it loose, so I can just, which is kind of a pain because there's not a lot of room down here. This is a really long wrench. Always make sure to unclip it first, which again you guys saw in the last video. If you haven't, go ahead and click on the last video. Alrighty, so this thing is it's pretty fried. Yeah, that's pretty much toasty. That's a toasty boy. So now we'll just go and grab the new one. What's great is this one already comes, oh you probably can't see that very well. This one already comes, yeah, already comes pre-greased. This one's much nicer, nice, clean, and new. So now we just do the opposite. Takes like 5 minutes, well actually takes like 5 seconds, super simple. I just gotta break that bolt loose. Okay guys, so everything's buttoned back up. Oh, that was a squeaky door. Everything's buttoned back up. Is that locked?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Alright, everything's buttoned backed up. Now we're gonna start the car, take it for a drive, and yeah, everything should be good. So I'll update you guys here in just a little bit. Hey guys, it's a new day. New day, new filming of the same video. Me and Jamie drove the car last night and it wasn't really any differences there. I drove to work and back today. I noticed my gas mileage is like slightly better, which is cool, but there's still a few things wrong with the car which I can address later, but I at least wanted to give you guys kind of an update of what I've done to the exhaust and what it sounds like. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy started, and we'll take it out. We'll take it out and rip on it a little bit and let you guys see. Okay, so I found this little road a little while back that I really like coming and hanging out on because it's a cool shot and it's quiet and I can rev it and do things out here. So some updates about the car. So you guys saw in the last video that I put on the catless downpipe, the non-resonating mid-pipe. I was pretty disappointed with it. So I took it to a custom muffler shop, local, and had them to delete the muffler box. And just kind of, I left one cat in there because I didn't know if it was going to be super loud. I didn't want it to be super drony, and I just didn't know what to expect. So I kept one cat in there to be safe. And I wish I would have taken that cat out, so down the road we might. But there's other stuff I need to take care of with the car first before we get to there. So this is the car so far. So it's like full custom exhaust. So I'll kind of let you guys hear what this sounds like here. Alright, so there you go. I think there's some farmers out here, so I'm gonna take off. But there's still some issues with the car. So it's not popping and crackling, obviously, like I wanted. Because there's still some issues with the car that I know I need to get fixed, and I will. It's just trying to track down certain parts. I even went to Audi earlier today to try to figure out what a part was, and they couldn't figure out what it was. So everyone who kind of hosed me about the diverter valve adapter, I did take that off. Yes, I know it spits oil. I just did it for the giggles and the fun turbo noises. So we'll figure out a blow-off valve situation later on. But yes, I did take it off. Come on. I will make a video about everything that's still wrong with the car. And one question I get asked a lot is how much did everything cost? How much did the car cost from start to finish, so on and so forth. So I've been thinking about making a video about that, about how much everything costs and break it all down. So if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing, let me know. Also, I'll do an overview video of everything that's still wrong, everything we still need to fix with the car. So just kind of let me know what you guys think or would want. Here's the truck coming. Okay, sorry about that. So that's today's video. So that's all I'm gonna do for the exhaust for now. Again, later I probably will get rid of that cat and get some flamey boys going on. You know what I'm saying? We gotta have some flames in here. Some pops, some gurgles, some backfires, the goodness. Because I really want to do a two-step tune at some point, just because I think that'll be fun as hell. So again, if there's anything I missed, anything you guys want, let me know down below in the comments or shoot me a message on any of my social media. Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get to that 1,000 mark. So we're slowly getting there. So I appreciate you guys so much on all your feedback, whether it's good, bad, what have you. And don't forget, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.